my Cymraeg, the alphabet is different from the English alphabet in that Welsh is more phonetic. It is actually more correct than the English alphabet. So once you actually, it is actually because the English alphabet was formulated back at the time of Thomas Caxton when the English was sounded differently. So therefore you have a lot of defunct letters like GHs and so on. And the English went through what was called the Great Vowel Shift. So the vowels of English are very flat. Gyda Cymraeg, it was the orthography was updated at the beginning of the 20th century. So it is updated. So that's why it is more phonetic. Yeah, not as phonetic as maybe something like Italian, but still more phonetic than Saesneg. So, bit phonetic. So, mewn gwirionedd, we will look now at some of these words, and we will, once we break them down into syllables and put the accent in, the pronunciation should be coming quite clear. So, let's choose a word which you would like to maybe do a pronunciation blitz on. Drwg. Okay, well, let's break it up into its constituent parts. Drwg, which is bad. Drwg. So if you're a naughty boy, you're a bachgen. Drwg. Right, drwg. Drwg. Now, wife. It sounds like wife in Saesneg, but the th on the end. Drwg wife. And then red, as in the colour red. Red. And wir, as in the Wirral Peninsula. Drwg wife, red wir. And that's where the syllable, that's where the emphasis falls. Drwg wife, red wir. So you say drwg, wife, you two say red and jump up, and you say wir. Okay, so so he looks horrified. So just put your hands in the air. So drwg, wife, red. And that's how it should sound. Drwg, wife, red. Unwaith eto. Drwg, wife, red. Yeah, right, so if I had a glockenspiel, I would say drwg, wife, red. Drwg, wife, red. So if you see criminals anywhere, you can say drwg, wife, red. Unwaith eto. Drwg, wife, red. Oh. You're a gas. Criminals, you're a gas. Drwg wife, red. So if you break any big words up into the constituent parts, it's actually easy to pronounce Welsh. Drwg wife, red. And that, when the emphasis falls there, is what gives us Welsh the lilt. Because we do twitch a bit when we speak Welsh. Drwg wife, red. Drwg wife, it's a subtle twitch, but we do twitch. Yeah. Very twitchy people. Drwg wife, red. Drwg wife, red. Drwg wife, red. We internalise our twitches, but they're still there. Okay, so we subtly disguise them, but we are very twitchy. Drwg wife, red. Drwg wife, red. Drwg wife, red. Let's take another word. Another word you want to work on the pronunciation. Gweithgareddau. That's it. Gweith is the same word as that, actually. But you lost the G there. So gweith and wife are the same pronunciation. It is something to do with a work or activity or something. So gweith. Gar. Like bar gum. Gweithgareddau. Ac yn Gymraeg, in correct sort of posh Welsh, that AU was always pronounced as an I, like an I, caramba. I. In colloquial Welsh, it can be actually pronounced as an in this part of South Wales, as an A, but we won't go into that now because we're only a week anyway. But you will hear people locally might say gweithgareddau. And once you get that, it's easy to pronounce. It's easy to pronounce if you've got the underlying structure. So let's very nonchalantly throw it away. Gweithgareddau. No big deal. Gweithgareddau. Eto. Gweithgareddau. Unwaith eto. Gweithgareddau. Let's speed it up a bit. Gweithgareddau. Gweithgareddau.